Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Twinapi.appcore DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Before we get into the manual guide for Twinapi.appcore, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Twinapi.appcore, the tablet Windows interface, Twinapi.appcore library. It manages the lifecycle and localized UI frames for UWP applications and the Windows Start menu. Corruption in this module is a primary cause of the Start menu not opening or Action Center not responding issues reported after a botched Windows update. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Twinapi.appcore is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Twinapi.appcore file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Replacing Twinapi.appcore without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Twinapi.appcore environment. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Twinapi.appcore error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.